Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by saving work and closing any apps that might interfere. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and click Restart. This often clears transient flicker because it reloads the shell. Once done, make sure to inspect recent app installs or graphics driver updates that coincide with the issue. If Explorer Restart didn't help, open Event Viewer to spot shell or display driver errors and note timestamps. This tells you whether the cause is software corruption, a driver mismatch, or a third-party overlay interfering with the taskbar. Next, update the system and graphics drivers because mismatched drivers cause most flicker and disappearance problems. Run Windows Update, then check optional driver updates. If symptoms started after a driver change, roll back via Device Manager or clean install the latest GPU driver. Once drivers are stable, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano. Follow with dism restore health to repair corrupted system files. These steps fix missing UI components. If Explorer still acts up, combine driver rollback with a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. Finally, validate that the issue isn't profile-specific by creating a new user account and testing the taskbar. Registry or profile corruption will often show only on one account. If problems persist system-wide, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point, or choose Reset this PC while keeping files as a last resort. Make sure to try Safe Mode first to confirm third-party interference. Troubleshooting tip. If flicker continues after these steps, boot to Safe Mode and capture logs. That narrows it down to hardware, driver, or persistent system corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.